How to set dual clock in Android lock screen. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm Emily and I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. So first of all, launch the settings application on your device, and as you do that, tap on the search bar over here. As you do that, search for time and it will give you a lot of other options. So tap on the time application and then scroll down to the very end, and here you'll be able to see the option of dual clock. So tap on dual clock and make sure that you toggle on. So as you toggle this on, dual clock will be displayed on the lock screen and home screen. So tap on got it, and then tap on the second clock option over here at the bottom. Then select on the region. So over here I'm gonna select on maybe Canada, and then select a location for the time zone as well. I'm going to choose Vancouver, and check on your home screen and lock screen and you'll be able to set dual clock in Android. So thank you so much for watching this video. See you next time.